All right, guys, so this is the LEDs we're gonna be installing. It's ready now, and they're made by AUXITO. We're also gonna probably be installing this part, but this is gonna be for another video. Right now, this is just gonna be on the LEDs, and they look awesome. As you can see, your LED. All right, so basically during the day, we already showed you at night. During the day, you can't even tell, but as you can see, this is how they look, the lights. Then I'll show you when we install the LEDs on there, and then he'll send me another video at night and we'll post it here. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna show you, I believe to take out this lights, this will be my first time, but it's gotta be behind this mat. But to remove these pins, you basically gotta pull out the inner part. It's not that easy, but you gotta try to pull them out the best you can. Some of them are gonna be real hard to come out. Like this one doesn't wanna come out. Almost feel like if it was broken. Because as you can see, half of it here, see, is up. See how it is out, which makes no sense. So we hope it's not broken, but who knows. But I'm just giving you guys an idea, basically. There we go, it's coming out now. There we go, so you pull, and it comes right out. Pull the inner tab out, and then you pull it out. So you do that to every single one that goes around this whole rug thing. And we'll come back once we take it off, show you how it looks, and try to put the new light. Pull this down, we took the things off, and you will see right here, this is the connector for the light. In order to actually take the light off, I believe we have to take out the connector first of all, which has a little tab and comes right off. You push it down right here, and it comes right off right there, that down. Okay, now to take this actual light, you will see down here, it's like another one that you gotta basically, I believe you push it in. If I'm not mistaken, I could be mistaken. And this should come forward that way. So I'll show you in this one. As you can see, it's this tab, and that tab just goes in and clips, as you can see right there. Okay, that's all it is. So we're just gonna try to remove this light. Okay, it's gonna be the same thing on the other side. And then we'll come back. As you can see, the other one there, we'll come back and we'll show you how the light looks. All right, so unfortunately, guys, it's gonna take another step. The lights can't come out unless you take this part right here, the Toyota sign. Now, it looks pretty simple. Like I said, it's my first time, but it looks like we gotta take 1, 2, 3, and maybe this 2 right there. Okay, and most likely this clip. So remember, we're gonna attempt to do that, and then we'll come back if that works. Okay, guys, so as you can see, just cleaning it up. It's real dirty under there, but you do gotta take out that whole piece. Now I'll tell you that this clamp right here, that's behind the Toyota sign, and it's pretty hard to get to, but you see those little tabs right there? There's 2, one on this and one on the other side. You gotta push push in to get this part off. So as you can see, we had to take that. That's where the light is. And then after that, we put the lights, put this back on, and we should be ready to roll. All right, guys, so we have a little hiccup with the lights. Apparently this right here are too wide, and it's hitting the hole is not going in all the way. So all we're gonna do is just snap the edges, and basically it's a small retrofit, and that should fix our problem. Not a big deal. Just take that piece off. Just making sure you guys know everything. So it is a small retrofit on the light right here. So now you know, guys. All right. You can see how bright it is compared to how it was, guys. So it's pretty nice. And like I said, all you do is just put everything back the way you took it off. looking pretty clean, pretty decent, and I'll try to show you at night how it looks compared to the beginning of the video with the dark lights.